Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Ira. It's been a little while since I've been on here. It's good to see you. Hope you haven't missed me too much. I've been busy, as always, with all the different things that I've got going on. But mainly, I've been spending time trying to help in my day job. You know, selling printer equipment is not easy. It takes a lot of effort. And in the Bay Area, I'm out there hustling. So if you know anybody who needs help with print-related items. I don't care if it's upgrading a system or maybe just streamlining supplies and things of that nature. I am here to help. One of the hotbeds in printing right now is security. You probably have antivirus software on your computer. Most people do, and you have a firewall for the network. A lot of people don't think about their print equipment and the risk or the vulnerability that you have being hacked, because your printer, a lot of the office equipment has a computer inside it now. And you know, if it can scan and read and write on your network, well, hackers can break into your system that way, and then unfortunately they can cause havoc in the system. At California Survey and Drafting Supply, one of the things that we do is we help people close that security loop and those holes. So if I can help you with that, by all means, reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Another thing that I'm doing right now, of course, with Project Help You Grow, the point of the group was to help people grow their network and increase engagement on social media. And I just posted an article on LinkedIn last night. If you haven't seen it yet, I encourage you to check it out. It deals with a point of view shift. And really, it's something that I've been doing in sales for a long time, trying to get out of my head and my goal, which is to sell things, and to think about the person on the other side of the table who I'm talking to. What are they trying to accomplish? What do they need help with? If I can show them how I can help them do those things, they're more likely to do business with me. And so that's something that I've been working on for quite a while. But it's a strategy that doesn't seem to come naturally to most people, but I think it's something that can help most people. So I've shared some thoughts and given some examples that hopefully will help people to adopt or adapt that mentality and help them succeed more. So that's the goal. What are you guys struggling with? What are some challenges that you're facing? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me what you're trying to do. Let me brainstorm ways that I might be able to help. You know, one of my first hashtags, in fact, it was my very first hashtag, is I'm here to help. If you tell me what you're struggling with as you're sipping your coffee, I'll brainstorm on it. I might reach out to you privately. I might comment on the comments. But either way, I will do what I can to help you. That's what it's all about, right? So anyways, that's Coffee with Ira for today. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day, everybody.